ShapeWays is an innovative technology platform that connects digital manufacturers with top material partners across the world. We recently acquired 5 Envision ONE machines. I think that's going to further enable us to advance at scale with our large industrial partners. Because of EnvisionTEC's open system, it's allowing us the opportunity to work with other large industrial players within the material space, such as Henkel.
Envision ONE units have been critical in testing and validating our resins. It is able to run almost all of our current resins, including many of the high performance options. This really speaks to the industrial capabilities of this equipment. We have been impressed with the quality of parts, the mechanical properties, and the accuracies which we are achieving.